Hey all, Chris Bassett here. Are you having trouble with your small engine not starting? One of the first things to check would be the fuel. Is it empty? In a carbureted engine, such as a lawnmower, weed eater, or chainsaw, gasoline can last 3 to 6 months, while ethanol only has a 30-day shelf life. Condensation can bring water into your gas tank, and if that freezes, that can cause the gasoline to break down into separate components. After that, it'll start to gel. So if you've left your gas sitting around, in the fuel tank or in a jug, it's gone bad. Adding a cap full of seafoam or fuel stabilizer can help. If you went a little cheaper on your gas and you got the ethanol blend, ethanol is corrosive to most ferrous metals such as iron and steel, and the corrosion leaves behind salt deposits and a jelly-like substance which can clog fuel filters, fuel pumps, and carburetors. If this happens, you can use a carburetor cleaner or even WD-40. So yeah, I definitely recommend dumping out the old gas and trying some new gas before you start tearing stuff apart. Hey, check out this other video right here. Links in the description to save money on auto parts, so check that out. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. If this was helpful, hit the like button. Thanks.